Yeah, this one's the G2, this one's the G3. So G3 is a little bit bigger. Okay, so different is this one a little bit longer than that. This one G2, this one G3. So we're gonna compare the size. You see, this one a little bit smaller, this one a little bit longer. So this is how it looks like the G2. And this is how it looks like the G3. I feel like this one's a little bit thick on the top here. Actually, this one is the perfect fit to my ear. So these ones I feel like a little bit big on the top, you know. So that's the difference. I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.